that, Emmy?
That's Elsa.
Do you, do you love it?
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
Okay, Emmy.
okay.
Okay, you'll be open her.
Mommy, this is new. Wow! Mommy, don't just scream like this. Wow! Okay. I can't wait to open
I'm gonna
that.
need to bring some scissors over here to open all this stuff, Jen.
Those are for the tabby yummies.
Oh, who is that, Emmy?
They're Ariel and their friends.
Ariel.
And
And friends.
And
Yeah, I'll open these too. Yeah, I'll open everything.
Okay, this is a puppy. Okay, puppy.
Do you want to go and get the other one that Emmy got you from under the tree?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? You holding it?
Emmy, show me that. What is that? Oh, do you like it?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, buddy. Is this yours from Emmy?
Yeah.
All right, let's see it.
Mine.
Yeah, you got that for John.
Oh, mine. Oh, I got it.